Good day and welcome to my reflection video. My name is CIC2601 and I am a CIC2601 student. Today I'll be reflecting on my grade 4 social sciences lesson on map skills, specifically the topic of side views and plan views from CAPS and True Geography. My 3 Bloom taxonomy aligned objectives were that after the lesson, learners will identify the difference between side views and plan views, be able to explain why maps use plan views instead of side views, and lastly be able to draw a simple plan view of the classroom using basic symbols. For the introduction of the lesson, I used real classroom objects, namely a book, desk, and a box together with pictures and a YouTube video. Learners, for example, observed a box and discussed how it looks from the top and side. This helped them understand the topic in a fun and visual way. In the development phase, learners completed a Google Forms activity where they matched pictures to correct views. I also demonstrated how to draw a plan view of the classroom. In the consolidation phase, learners revised the lesson using Kahoot quiz where they identified examples like a house from the top or side view. I also asked questions such as, what is a plan view of your classroom, to check understanding. The ICT tools I used were a laptop and a projector to display a video, a PowerPoint presentation to display pictures, and lastly, Google Forms for activities. In my lesson, ICT was used in many ways, explaining the SAMR model. For substitution, I replaced printed pictures with pictures on slides. On augmentation, Google Forms replaced paper worksheets and gave instant feedback. On modification, learners completed interactive online quizzes instead of only written work. And lastly, on redefinition, Kahoot allowed learners to learn through a game-based quiz, which could not be possible without technology. This shows that technology improved and changed the way learners learned, making it more fun and interactive. As a teacher, I guided learners, explained concepts, and supported them during activities. I also used ICT tools to make learning more easier and fun. Learners were active participants. They observed objects, answered questions, and completed all required activities. The lesson was effective as learners were engaged, especially during the Kahoot game and drawing activity. They were able to understand the difference between side and plan views. However, next time I would give more time for the drawing activity and ensure all learners have equal access to devices during ICT tasks. I accommodated different learners by using visual aid for visual learners, explanation and discussion for auditory learners, and drawing activities for kinesthetic learners. I supported struggling learners and encouraged peer assistance so everyone can participate successfully. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this will be helpful.